Hi, welcome to my channel Unlearn with Vinay. I'm Vinay Krishna, and as usual, I am here with one of another story which will help you to understand the challenge that we face usually with agile or digital transformation. I am little there is a delay from when I have actually shared one story last time. I will see that how I can make up those in my upcoming stories and videos. So let's begin with the story. There was a passenger or traveler, basically, right? There was a traveler who came to a city, and while walking on the main road, he observed that there was some work going on the sides of those main roads. And he saw that there are two guys who are working on that. One person who is quickly on the side of that road, right? He will dig a hole and he will move to again further from that place 4 feet more, and then again he will start digging the hole, and he will continue doing that. And he was completely focused on his work with full dedication, full hard work, and quite fast to do that. Looks like he has to achieve some target. Just behind him, right, there was another guy who was coming quickly to that hole which had been digged by the first person, and he will put a soil and he will fill that hole, and he will be keep following him. Behind him, he will always, whatever hole has been digged by that first person, he will come and he will actually fill that hole. So that surprised that traveler. He saw that, okay, what these guys are doing, and he started following them. It was a couple of hours, like almost you just imagine like so many kilometers they have actually covered just doing this, right? He came and he was thinking, what these guys are doing, let me just try to understand what is happening here. So he went and he asked, excuse me, I'm observing you from past 1 or 2 hours, and I'm really impressed at the way you are doing your work with full dedication, hard work and all, right? But I'm not able to understand what you guys are doing and why you are doing these things. Those guys told, oh, we do not have enough time, but okay, let me explain you. So this city, that government has decided for a tree plantation, and that entire city, they want to have that saplings to be planted here, right? And they have actually created lots of teams. Each team will have 3 people. So one who will dig the hole, the another who will fill the hole, and the third one who is actually, when he's dig the hole, after that he will put a tree saplings, and then the third person will be actually covering that the hole. So today what is happening, our second person who is responsible to put a tree sapling in those holes is on leave. He has taken off, but we cannot stop our work. And we have lots of big targets, so we are just working on that. And traveler was shocked. What these guys are doing? What does it mean? What the value they are going to add here? In the paper, if you look at, daily they have to cover almost like a 3 kilometer of main roads where they will fill that saplings. And now that's the end of his story. What is the moral of the story? Maybe you will laugh. But that's the reality in our IT software development world also. We say that we are cross-functional team. Why? Because we have developer, we have QA, we have front-end developer, we have back-end developer and all. But what do? We take a user story which is just for the front-end, and I will be keep working on that. Or I will finish my development. I'm relaxed. Now it's their turn. What is the goal? Sprint goal, right? We'll always miss out. We have seen so many times that team will say that there are spillovers. Why? Because the testing is still not completed. I have completed my work. That's the feeling is still in the team. I am a front-end developer, I'm a back-end developer, I'm a developer, I'm a tester, and all those things, right? We never look at what is you can say like a team goal. If there is a spillover, it's a failure of team. Even though I have actually scored a century in my any cricket match, right? If I will give you an example, right? Does not mean that if the team has lost the match, that guy will be enjoying that. No. You have seen many times, especially in cricket, that even at the last moment, the bowler who is coming there for the batting and he has actually helped the entire team to win the match. They are not saying that we are just bowler, we can't do anything. That's the team vibe should be there. And now understand from the same story. When the second person will come next day, what he has to do? He has to put the saplings in all the holes which has been digged and filled. It's a complete rework. You just imagine, like when you have the inter-team dependency also. When we say that okay, our work is completed, but we cannot move because the other team has not completed, and many things. The same way, if you look at like within the team also, the similar challenges are there. That means, you know what? If we say that cross-functional team, right? If there are people with a different skill set, right? In a working together does not mean they are team. They are just a group with the multiple function roles, and still they are working on silos in the individual capacities and individual goals. Those two guys who were actually digging and filling were actually achieving their goal. But what is the value they are generating? That's important. I guess that is the message from this story. We have to look back and see that just adding people together does not mean that it's a team. And it's a cross-functional team. Hope you got my message and it's clear to you guys. I know you will have lots of similar experience or similar points to express, right? So feel free to write your comments in this video. Whenever you are finding that okay, you are feeling this is actually helping you to understand that, keep sharing that within your network and like this video. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you. I will be coming back very soon with another story which will help you to understand one more challenge in agile and digital transformation. Thank you. Bye bye.